Push this button there, maybe
some
start.
things we gotta brush your teeth.
Well, you got some plaque on there, something.
It says something with the teeth, the toothbrush. You put the stuff on the toothbrush and then you scrub the teeth.
That's what I'm saying. I just did that, and my mouth feels pretty clean.
You wash out the toothbrush.
Sure.
Give it a little rinse.
I guess if you want to use a toothbrush, I just use. You probably be maybe you put a little toothbrush on it. You put a little toothpaste on it.
Toothpaste.
A little toothpaste, and then you use your thumb in the water.
A little bit of squirt.
That'll clean it out.
Get clean.
Then you put some more toothpaste on it after you clean it out. Then you use it. I'm just saying that.
Should I use it?
Maybe.
Am I done? Can I use it now?
Maybe.
What am I doing here?
Maybe.
What am I doing here?
Maybe.
What am I doing?
Maybe you clean it out first.
Am I brushing my teeth or am I fucking with you?
I'm trying to help you.
Can I brush my teeth?
I'm trying to help you.
Can I brush my teeth?
Trying to help.
I'm gonna put this in my mouth and I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Do what you want.
Alright.